Hello friends, welcome to Abhi's Reviews. In this video, I am going to explain which are the must-buy accessories in winter times in Germany. So you will be coming here for studying, working, or any business purposes. But it is very important to protect your ears and hands, even the neck during this harsh winter in Germany. So it may go to -10, -5, and mostly the temperature during winter time will be 0 to 3 degrees. So it is very difficult. The blood vessels will be like little bit strained due to this very cold temperature. So I will be introducing you three products which is a must buy and must use during the winters. So this is one of the popular item. This is a knitted hat, and this is a recyclable material use, because in Germany you can see they are give more importance to sustainability of the product, because they care about the planet and everything, because it's developed country, so they can put money on that thing. So as you can see that after wearing it will look like that. I tried this and it's really looking good on you. So we have to think about a style statement also, not just for the ear protection, and it gives you both actually. And if you see the material inside, it is very soft, and there is a different layering also here, so it will protect from a different variety of temperature during winter time side. And it is like looking really nice also. And if you want to purchase this product, in the video description I have provided the link. So let's see what are the other two items you must be needing for the winter times in Germany. The next thing is the gloves, actually hand gloves, because the first thing you feel more like you can't bear the temperature is your hands actually when during winter times. So this kind of gloves is really good. They have a padded material and covering also some water resistant material also there, and with the this is a different style, so the fingers are covered here, so it's really good product. So this is also I'll be sharing in the video description, you can have a look. And one of the most important item I can say, this is the neck protection thing. Actually it looks really stylish, as well as you can wear it during your whenever you go out and everything. It protects your neck, as well as sometimes you can use it for as an ear protection also. So these are the three important products you must buy or must use during winter time in Germany. I'm just suggesting you, and you can in the video description I will provide different options for you. Just have a look into that. If you like it, you can purchase from there. And if you have any doubt regarding the studying in Germany, working in Germany, definitely you can ask in my comment box and we can discuss over there. And thank you so much for watching this video. Have a great day. Bye bye.